I made a little item. Once we enter to the etiquette gate, automatically itself identify by using that motion sensor unit 10. Then thereafter, automatically the system will work itself together with lightening the tape of the unit around it and sound together itself. And also I uh, attach I set that doorbell as well. Now this is the unit. uh, this unit consists with three kind of circuits, three power units, and this is hard LED system. Once identified the person, then by the motion sensor unit up there, then automatically these lights on, and together with this LED system will open on, and sound system speak, you are welcome, please ring the doorbell, please here. This is the doorbell, and you can see the heart here, flickering, slightly flickering on and off. You can see the unit, the motion sensor over there start the sound, and you can see the heart flickering on and off. Listen. It tells, please kindly ring the doorbell, please. Now doorbell is working. Now let's go into the house. You can see this is the doorbell unit outside the house. There is the inside of the house. There is another unit, that is screen. This device link with that screen by using Wi-Fi system. Now you could see the unit has been stopped. That's because there was a certain time of period, working time of period. That working time of period was finished. It was finished. Now again we will start once detect.
What are the units inside this device?
Inside of the device, has been assembled the kind of four kind of units. One unit is MP3 player unit with pen drive. The other two kinds of power units, and this heart flickering this heart unit. So this flickering in this heart unit working 5-volt circuit power supply. This LED system working by using 12-watt power system. This MP3 unit working 5-watt power supply. Pen drive we insert this voice recording by using certain computer and MP3 format. Then we insert to this MP3 player, and now it's working once motion sensor detected. This is inside of the house unit screen. This device working with Wi-Fi system in connection with pairing with the doorbell in outside of the gate.
Actually, this is really useful for everyone, I believe. So anyone can make use of these kind of technological items. So this is kind of a new invention, I believe. I feel so.
Yeah, it's actually good. This device has been integrated by using modern cutting tech, by using by using nanotechnological devices, which was designed by the cutting edge of technology. Actually, this is renovation of the technological renovation. And incredible devices, very integrated and small devices are there inside of devices.
Yes.
So I hope everyone enjoyed with my this new invention, and I expect your incredible your comments.
Yes,
Uh,
obviously.
and
So all the viewers will be able to identify. If you have any questions, of course, make sure to comment and ask from us. So we will be able to provide you good answers from this. Okay,
Yeah.
thank you for being with us today.
Okay.
So hope to see you in another time with another device.
Of course.
Thank you.
Thank you.